Lumix and Android wired transfer. Initial steps: connect your Android and camera using the dedicated Piufoto data cable. Next, you have the option to choose your upload method. Let's begin with manual upload. Step 1. Camera configuration. Adjust the camera's USB mode to picked bridge (PTP). After disabling USB power supply, press the back button to initiate the connection. Step 2. Piufoto settings. Launch the Piufoto app. Enter your Piualbum and tap Upload at the bottom right corner. Select Camera Wired Connection. If a permission prompt appears asking to allow Piufoto access to your camera, choose OK. Switch the upload mode in the top right corner to manual upload to establish a successful connection. You can also modify the upload quality here. With these settings configured, you're ready to perform a manual upload. Auto upload setup. Step 1. Camera configuration. Change the camera's USB mode to PC tether. After disabling USB power supply. Step 2. Piufoto settings. In Piufoto's upload section, click on the upload mode above and change the upload mode to fully upload mode. For both modes, ensure your device and camera are properly connected via the Piufoto data cable throughout the process. Piufoto. Photos can fly.